Video I'm just going to show you basically how to log into the FreeMyIT portal, and we're going to show you how to add and manage users. First, I'm just going to log in up here. Well, actually the web page that you're going to want to go to, we'll start there first, is https login.freemyit.com. It's going to bring you to the page I was just at. Then you're going to type in your FreeMyIT username. Now, for those who use RapidFire, this is not where you insert your Autotask username. This is your FreeMyIT username. So mine is mgeorge, freemyit.com. Just type in your password down here and log in. This is a demo account, so I don't have a lot of users on here. This is just kind of some fake user accounts, but I can kind of, get the point across. Once you're inside of the portal, you're just going to come down here to manage users. Click on that. It's going to show you my 3 users here. This is myself. Now the roles in this area that are selected, you'll notice that mgeorge, that's myself, is master, and then the rest show restricted. This is your roles inside of the FreeMyIT portal. So the master account can actually add users, add FreeMyIT software, change the software around. The restricted users are only able to go in there and change configurations that deal with their account. They cannot remove software, they cannot give themselves software privileges, they can't add other users. So this just affects the role that is played inside of the FreeMyIT portal. If you want to add a user, all you do is go down here to add user, click on that. You're going to type in their first name. We're just going to come up with a name. We're going to just say John. Last name Doe, doesn't matter. We'll say jdoe at freemyit.com. Just come up with some password here, doesn't matter. Now this password that we're putting in here, this is your password for the FreeMyIT portal. Again, this is not the password that you're going to use to log into the FreeMyIT software such as RapidFire. You're going to stick your email address or the email address of the user here. We'll just say it's jdoe at freemyit.com. And if you are a RapidFire user, you have to put in your Autotask username. This is a required field. So we'll just say that his is the same thing for Autotask, excuse me. If this field is not filled out with your correct Autotask username, when you go to log into RapidFire, you will not be able to log in. It'll say that you're not a registered or licensed user, and you have to make sure that you have this Autotask username correct. We're just going to make them a standard user, so they can't manage users, they can't add software. It goes back to what I was talking about with the roles. And we're going to give them access to RapidFire free. Click Create User. And there they go. When that happens, they're going to receive an email that says that they've been set up with a FreeMyIT account. It's going to give them instructions as to how to install any software that you've allowed them to use, such as RapidFire Free or RapidFire Pro. If you want to, let's say, change somebody's privileges to RapidFire, you basically just click on them, go down here to where you can give them access to things, and just click over to Pro, hit Save, and now they'll have access to RapidFire Pro. That is if they have your credit card information all put in there and whatnot. Credit card information is required because it's not the free version. Now, if you're running a 30-day trial, that's one thing you can still put in there. You will not be billed for 30 days. Okay. And if you would like to remove a user, we'll just go back into Manage Users again. You just come here, select a user. We'll actually select John Doe and remove selected users. And hit OK. And that's it. Really easy, really simple, done and over.